Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I want to take you behind the scenes of my entrepreneurial journey and I'm not just able to maintain, but change the dynamics of my life. I manage two distinct businesses, Amazon Wholesale FBA and Amazon Relay. These ventures operate in two different realms, but share the same common goal of leveraging Amazon's mass platform. Now let's get into how I run both businesses at the same time. First up, Amazon Wholesale FBA. In this business model, I purchase branded products in bulk from authorized distributors. I purchase them at a wholesale price, then I turn around and resell them on Amazon at a retail price. And here's my approach, how I do it. 1, product sourcing. I find products that are in high demand and that's already making consistent sales. I also work on establishing relationships with reputable suppliers to make sure that they're all legit. Number 2, inventory management. Once I receive all my products, I prepare them based on Amazon Wholesale FBA requirement, and I ship them off into a fulfillment center. Amazon does all the storing, the packaging, and the shipping. They even take care of my customer service. And number 3, sales and marketing. I purchase brand name products that already have consistent sales, and I use different software to manage everything and make my job much easier. It does all the heavy lifting for me. But you gotta always make sure you monitor the pricing strategies and the customer reviews. That's key to stay competitive and maintain a healthy relationship with Amazon. And the great thing about this business model, Amazon takes care of all the logistics. It gives me more time to focus on my sourcing and scaling the business. Okay, now let's switch gears to Amazon Relay. This venture is all about transportation. Amazon Relay partners with different trucking companies and transport goods between Amazon facilities and to its final delivery hubs. And here's my approach to how I manage it. Number 1, fleet management. I own and manage a fleet of trucks, ensuring they meet Amazon's strict safety performance standards. Regular maintenance and compliance is key. Number 2, driver coordination. I hired a skilled driver, train them up, and I make sure that they're on time for the deliveries and follow every protocol. I use Amazon Relay app to assign my drivers their routes, and I monitor their performance that way. Operational efficiency. I use Amazon's load board, and I choose the best loads that fits my capacity and my schedule. It's important to plan and choose your route strategically. Make sure that they're on time for the delivery is crucial if you want to maximize your earnings. And to maintain a strong partnership with Amazon, to see your good profit margins as well. This business demands a hands-on approach because you're dealing with the logistics, which can get complex at times. You're also managing your drivers and making sure that the vehicles are maintained and they're running properly. While it's not cheap to run a trucking company, owning a trucking company offers steady revenue streams, especially when demand for freight never stops. Part 3, balancing both businesses. Managing these two businesses at the same time requires strategic planning and time management. Separate operation. I maintain separate teams and I have a different setup for both businesses to make sure that they don't overlap with each other. Time allocation. I give tasks to each member on my team and I prioritize my own personal tasks. It helps me balance the demand of both businesses. Leveraging technology. I use multiple softwares, Amazon Relay and Seller Central, to make sure I keep track of my inventory for wholesale FBA and I plan routes for my Amazon Relay. Even though it has its own challenges, I have been able to manage multiple streams of income and multiple businesses at the same time. I am able to reduce my risk and I capitalize on different Amazon's platforms. And watching my business grow is very rewarding. Okay, now that was a glimpse into how I run my Amazon Wholesale FBA and my Amazon Relay business. Each has its unique challenges, but it's very rewarding. And balancing both of them keeps me on my toes. But if you're considering venturing into either or both, I hope this small overview gives you valuable insight. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a question in my comment section below. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.